In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch Twitch on the Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to System Settings. And on System Settings, you want to go to Internet. And on Internet, you want to go to Internet Settings. Then you want to select your Wi-Fi, and on your Wi-Fi, you want to go to Change Settings. We're going to scroll down where it says DNS settings, and we're going to change it from automatic. We're going to change it to manual. And then guys, it should say 0.0.000.000.000, and you want to change it to this 045.055.142.122. Then we're going to click on OK, and then we're going to click on Save. Then we're going to select the Wi-Fi again, and then we're going to click on Connect to this network. Then we're going to click on OK, and we're going to click on Go to Google. And in Google, we're going to type in Twitch. Then we're going to click on Done, and we're going to click on OK, and then right here it says Twitch.tv. We're going to click on it. Okay, so Twitch takes really long to load, and this is how you get Twitch on the Nintendo Switch.